Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign into Duolingo. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded Duolingo app on your device. Open up it. Once you open up it, it will show you this kind of interface. So here you can see different account. If there is account that you wanna sign in, then simply tap on it. But if you wanna sign in another account, then simply tap on add another account as shown here. Now here you can see sign in button, tap on it. Next on username or email box, type in your email or username. And on password box, type in your password and then tap on sign in button. Once you sign in, it will sign in your account, as you can see that. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.